This is a Jazzy 614 HD. This power chair is used. It was used roughly about 6 months. It's in excellent condition, that's why we have it here. It does have a custom. It has a Marcsmobility custom black and red seat, custom seat. The reason this seat is on there is because when this chair came here a couple of days ago, it had a 26-inch seat, which we still have. So if you wanted a large seat, we do have it. But it was 26 inches, which was hard to sell with a 26-inch seat. So now we have a 20 by 20 seat, custom made, two-tone black and red, which match this chair very, very good. So again, this is a 614 HD. The HD stands for heavy duty. It has a 450-pound weight capability. It has 14-inch solid wheels, knobby tires, caster wheels in the back, caster wheels in the front, great suspension. The seat is adjustable. As you can see, you can adjust the seat back and forth with this little handle right here. The arms do go up and down. They also go out if you need more width. The joystick is on the right. It can be put on the left with no problem at all. You can see the front of the chair. You've got a foot plate that flips up for easy exit. You've got heavy duty shocks in front on both sides. These shocks are adjustable. By turning these rings on top of the shocks, you can make them tighter or looser. If you need to put this chair in neutral, there's two levers right here. To put the chair in neutral, you turn the power off, and it tells you right here, lift the handles up, and your chair is in neutral, and you can push it around. Back down, because you have two motors, you have to do both sides. Now you're back in gear. Turn the power back on, and you're back in gear. You've got a reset button over here, so if your chair ever turns off, you're stuck in the grass, or you overheat the motors, just reset it right there. Hopefully you'll never have to do that. You can see the suspension here in the front. This is your turning radius. This is a heavy-duty power chair, but it's not a large power chair. So it's got the weight capability, but it's not huge. It does have a safety belt. In the back of the chair, you've got a pouch. Your batteries are right here. If you need to change the batteries in this chair, whenever you change the battery in a Quantum 614 or a Jazzy 614 HD, like this chair, all the batteries come out from the back. This cover is very loose, but if you don't know how to take it off, you're going to have a hard time. Put your hand here, push down the cover, stick your finger under here and pull this way, and that cover comes out with two fingers. There's little tabs in here that are hooked up over here. You have to know how to pull them. There's two batteries back to back. There are 55 amp batteries, deep cycle batteries, group 22. You'll get about 15 miles on a battery charge, depending where you're using the chair and the way of the user. Depending on the way of the user and where you're using the chair. So it's going to depend on the mileage you'll be getting. When you charge this chair, take your charger, plug it below the joystick right here, and into the wall, of course. And as soon as the light turns green, your batteries are full. The charger will recognize, as soon as the batteries are full, the charger will recognize it and stop charging. So you don't have to overcharge these batteries, you don't have to worry about overcharging the batteries. So if you're looking for a real heavy-duty power chair with a custom seat, this is 20 by 20. Now we can put a bigger seat on there. We'll just put this custom one that we have extra here with Marc's Mobility. We can change the seat back to a larger one or a smaller one if you want. It may not be black and red though, it may be gray or black. But this is one of our custom seats. We'll be glad to help you out with that. So this chair, as I said, great suspension, heavy duty weight capability, solid tires, adjustable seat belt, very easy to drive, and it goes about 5 miles an hour, and it's ready to go. Now, I was driving this chair at 5 miles an hour, so if it looked like it was a little quick, a little turning quick, that's because I had it at full speed. But you can adjust the speed on this chair. You have 5 speed. I was on the 5th speed. Went through the grass with no problem. Great suspension. Very sharp looking chair with a 450-pound weight capability. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.